after spending some time here, heading to subway station. So here Yanakadi tram. So from here I will take a metro or RER and I go to Giridhar's place. Giridhar is a friend. He met me yesterday in Sharana Bhavan during lunchtime. I spoke to him. He is from Vijayawada, Telugu. So I spoke to him and we traveled together in metro. And he is inviting me for the lunch dinner. So he is continuously calling from yesterday. So now I am going to his house. So which is in, I have to take either 8 metro or 10 metro or RERC. So I am now going towards his home for the lunch. So he is not leaving me. So he is continuously calling. So that's why I said it's okay. I will come and spend some time. So now I am at Charles de Gaulle Etiole. I have to take Metro 8 to go to Giridhar's house. So I get down at Auber, next stop. So Auber is a stop where I took RER train yesterday in the night. This is Charles de Gaulle Etiole station. So now I am taking RER. RER going opposite direction. So I have to take this. You can see I am at Charles de Gaulle Etiole. I have to go to Auber, only one stop. The train which goes to Bussy St. Leger, I have to take that. This is the train I have to take just for one stop, Auber. Going to Auber, next stop, only one stop, Auber. This is Uber, not Auber. I was pronouncing it as Auber. But in the train she was saying it as Uber. So I got down this from this train. So I have to go Metro 8. You can see Metro 3, 7, 8, 9. So I have to take Metro 8 to go to my friend, new friend. Information is very clear. See M8, Metro 8. I have to go this way. Upara is a place where I got down the bus from yesterday. So I took it from Roland Garros Stadium and all the way to Garilla East. I got down at Opera. So it is Uber, close to Uber. So now I have to go to 8. I don't know why ticket gates are here. So once we come into the subway, ticket gates should be here. So I think RER and subway or metro are. You can see 3, 7, 8. I have to take M3 left. And M7 and M8 are right. I have to take M8, so I have to go right. Again, I have to take this escalator. The information is clearly mentioned. It's a big escalator like London. So I am going correct. So I am at Opera. So my friend lives in Bossy Court. I don't know how to pronounce it. So almost like 10 stops. So I am going in a correct direction. This is Opera stop. So I am taking number 8 metro number 8. I have to go for 10 stops. Metro will come in 2 minutes. The train is coming. Metro number 8. All metros color same color. Same stops, like very frequent stops. I mean to say same stops means excellent service. This is metro number 8. I am going to Pussycat. So this is metro number 8. So you can see Pussycat, I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is the metro I took from Opera to Pussycat, almost 10 stops. The metro stop which I took and came out. See the beautiful flats, excellent trees, glasses, old buildings, new buildings. This is Avenue Felix Faure. So now using Google I will go to my friend's flat. So it shows for 50 meters, 450. These are neighborhoods in Paris. I am just walking towards my friend's place in Rue, 53 Rue, Gothenburg, 75015 is the address. So I have put in Google. Now it says 700 meters, so not 450. So I'm just slowly walking. He told me to come around 3:30 p.m. So now it is 3:05 p.m. So almost it will take 15 to 20 minutes to walk towards his home. But see the beautiful Paris. Everywhere, wherever we go, all excellent trees. Same type of vibes. Simply superb. See the shops, restaurants, cafes. So beautiful. This is Avenue Felix 4. See the living style of Parisians. See their flats, neighborhoods. So how they kept not rubbish on the streets. No rubbish on the streets, sorry. So all beautiful, looking beautiful with the trees and clean windows and curtains inside. So all the flats. I am 500 meters away from my friend's flat. New friend Girdhar. His address is 53 Rue, Gothenburg. This is Rue de la Convention. Rue de la Convention. There is a bus stop. See how cute it is. Bus stop. There is a symbol. There is a bus number, and it shows like coming in 2 minutes. Only one bus. 62. So next bus is in 2 minutes. So everything in all information is provided. See these beautiful buildings. This is Yamagoya, Japanese and Korean restaurant. Paris is famous for its cuisine. It's their food is, they give very much importance to food. So that's why I couldn't find so many restaurants from outside. They have plenty of restaurants here. Paris is known for food. It's part of their culture. Another 400 meters from here, then I have to take left. At the moment I am enjoying this beautiful neighborhood in Paris. So if I travel by metro, I can't see this. So only or by walk or by bus. Metro are mostly underground. RER goes overground, but it is difficult to record. We can see it, but it is difficult to record the videos. Another 200 meters, then I have to take left. and go 150 meters into the neighborhood. Till now no one is objecting it, but I am not just recording people, I am just recording the streets, neighborhood, because this is beautiful, excellent. These neighborhoods I am finding better than New York and London's neighborhoods, with these trees, the beautiful buildings. Yeah, definitely New York, Manhattan is excellent, and there are some very good places in London, excellent places in central London. But here Paris, wherever I go, I am just seeing a beauty, like restaurants outside, people prefer to eat out, sitting in, because weather is nice. Today it is not good compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was excellent weather. This Lebanese restaurant, I think in Lebanese also, they also speak French. Bus number 62. On time. One more bus. I will take left here. So and up road I have to go another 100 meters or 100 meters. See how beautiful it is. View Gutenberg. So this is 24. You can see the number. So I have to go 53. See the beautiful flats. Just simple. Only bricks, no color, but they are looking awesome. This is number 30. So people are still jogging. This is 47. So I am very close to it. 53. I have to. 53 is the number I am looking for. $34. I think this side it will come, left side. Yeah, this is 51. So almost there. I am almost maybe left building. I am happy that I am coming without calling him. I don't want to call him. Just I want to go without his help. This is 51. So 53 might be this one under construction. Maybe renovation. Maybe that building after that. So I just go and check the number.
మొత్తం అంతా
ఇప్పుడు నేను లంచ్ అయిపోయింది, ఆల్మోస్ట్ టీ అయిపోయింది. 7:30, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 7:25 PM, 7:30 అవుతుంది. సో గిరి నేను నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నాము మెట్రో స్టేషన్కి, మెట్రో స్టాప్కి. సో ఇది మామూలు ఫ్రెంచ్ ఒక ఇది ఆఫీస్, ఇది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫీస్. మళ్ళీ మొన్న మోడీ కూడా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారట, మన ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆఫీస్, ఎక్సలెంట్. నైబర్హుడ్ ఎంత బాగుంది, నైబర్హుడ్ ఎక్సలెంట్ నైబర్హుడ్. సో మనకి లుక్ రాదు ఎక్కడ. నేను న్యూయార్క్లో చూసినా, లండన్ చూసినా కానీ ఇంత మంచి లుక్ అయితే రాలేదు. సో దెర్ ఆర్ సమ్ ప్లేసెస్, ఫ్యూ ప్లేసెస్, బట్ హియర్ ఎవ్రీవేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్ ఎక్సలెంట్ నైబర్హుడ్స్. సో అండ్ ఇట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బిగ్ ట్రీస్, బ్యూటిఫుల్, looking beautiful. So and see the restaurants, cafes on the road. Beautiful cafe, excellent. Japanese restaurant. మిమ్మల్ని తీయమంటారా? తీయాలి మిమ్మల్ని? గిరి నాతో పాటే ఉన్నాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ గిరి ఫర్ ద లంచ్. వెనకాల పడి నేను లంచ్కి ఇన్వైట్ చేసిండు. నేను వద్దని చెప్పిన, అంటే నిన్ననే పరిచయం అయ్యాడు శరణ భవన్లో, గరడినాడులో. సో నేను రావద్దనుకున్నా కానీ ఆయన చాలాసార్లు కాల్ చేసి మెసేజ్ చేస్తే ఇంక ఎట్లయినా లంచ్కి వచ్చి ఒక 2-3 అవర్స్ రెస్ట్ తీసుకొని టీ తాగి మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను షాటలైట్కి వెళ్తా, వీలైతే స్టేడియంకి వెళ్తా, వెళ్ళి నైట్ ఈఫిల్ టవర్కి వెళ్తా. ఎందుకంటే నైట్లో ఈఫిల్ టవర్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సో లైట్స్లో, అండర్ లైట్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ మై ప్లాన్ ఫర్ దిస్ వీక్ evening. And anyhow tomorrow morning I have to go to Geneva, by TGV. That is one more excellent journey. I am very much looking forward for the train journey, TGV. So this is my third journey in TGV, fourth journey. So yeah, see the Parisian life in Paris, beautiful. Just sitting outside and enjoying the cafes, restaurants. So this is Paris. We see everywhere. So everywhere they enjoy life like this. So excellent.